You're awake. Your eyes on. Why are you snoring? I don't believe you. Tyson, you realize your eyes are open. You're following the camera. There you go.
Oh.
There go the eyes. All right.
So you can be quiet.